guys, JD Riding back again with another video, and I can't use that, but alright, I just wanted to make a video. I was very bored, so I just got home from school, had nothing else to do, so I thought I would just come out here, do a nice old video for you. Geez, what is wrong with this driveway? Well, I do know one thing I could tell you guys about. I'm going to show you guys this one driveway. Look at this driveway. This house, I'll tell you guys about now. I said I would do it, so I'm going to do it. This house right here has a very, very, very mean dog. As you can see, the cement. Has a very, very mean dog, and if you go on the sidewalk, it literally will bite you. That's how mean it is. I think it's a she, and I think the name is Addie or something. It's something close to that, but it's so weird. He's just so weird. Every time people go by him, every time he sees like a human being, she barks. But she doesn't bark at the lady, which is strange, but that lady is a hoarder. She's literally a hoarder. You should see her garage, because it's full of junk. Like, she has baby stuff in there, and she doesn't even have a baby. It's kind of creepy if you think like way deep into it, but other than that, it's one year I actually went trick-or-treating when I was younger, and that dog, he went crazy. Like, the woman wouldn't let her out, but she was close to getting out. I mean, it freaked the crap out of me. I was only like 7 then, and so that was a long time ago. So, but that did happen one time. It might have happened twice, I don't know, but ever since that happened, I have not trick-or-treated at that house in at least 5 years, because I hate going to that house. Like if Demon Dog was out right now, he would be walking from this line and he would come to the sidewalk and bite, because there's actually an electric fence from right there. Actually, no. From right there to right there, then to right there. Ooh, Camaro, guys. Let's check it out. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I swear to God, guys, this kid is asking me questions and I'm literally about to kill him. So that's the story of the Demon Dog. That guy must be backing out. So that's the story of the Demon Dog. Kind of creepy if you think way deep into it, but that is the story. It's sort of creepy, but what are you gonna do? It's right there. But I feel like doing some wheelies. Let's do some wheelies.